Hi there. In this quick chat, I'd like to share how Phrase can empower your teams by seamlessly integrating localization into your existing workflows. When companies grow, things naturally get complex. Teams juggle multiple tools. Designers live in Figma, developers in GitHub, and marketing teams in WordPress or other CMSs. But often, localization gets left behind, handled manually, stuck in spreadsheets, or copied back and forth between disconnected systems. This approach creates serious bottlenecks. It slows down your launches, increases the chance of mistakes, and distracts your teams from what they do best, creating amazing products and content. We recently worked with a fast-growing SaaS company facing exactly this issue. Every new feature launch meant hours spent manually copying strings of text into Excel sheets for translation. Developers would then wait, losing valuable time, and marketing scrambled to sync their updates. It was exhausting and inefficient, causing frustration across the entire business. Then they introduced Phrase, and the difference was immediate. Our platform plugged directly into the tools their teams were already using, automatically detecting new or changed content. This meant the moment a developer committed code or a marketer published an update, the translation process started instantly. No manual exports, no confusion, and no delays. The result? They sped up their localization cycle by 50%, enabling faster releases to global markets. Even better, human error dropped by 45%, because teams weren't dealing with endless back-and-forth file exchanges. And perhaps the most important change was how empowered their teams felt. Designers stayed in Figma. Developers stayed in GitHub. Content creators never had to learn new translation software. Everyone continued working in their favorite tools, confident that Phrase would handle the rest behind the scenes. By integrating localization seamlessly into existing workflows, Phrase eliminated silos and simplified collaboration, boosting cross-team productivity by over 40%. Teams became more efficient, launches became smoother, and scaling localization became effortless. So, if your teams are still wrestling with disconnected localization processes, or if you're just looking to streamline your global operations, I hope this resonates. Empower your teams to work smarter, not harder, and let Phrase take the complexity out of going global. Feel free to reach out if you'd like to learn more.